guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a stitch fix. We'll be opening that in just one moment. Thanks for coming back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and open up the stitch fix box today and see what we got. So I already had to break into it because the box was, I didn't even know I was supposed to get this box. So I was a little unsure of whether or not what was in it. So I went ahead and opened it up. I missed my window of looking at the items. So everything's a little discombobulated, but let's go through it anyway. All right. So we'll start out with, oh, this is cute. Looks like it's a short sleeve sweatshirt. I really like that. I don't have anything like that. Lots of sweatshirts, but nothing short sleeve, and cute little zipper. All right. Next item in the box is a t-shirt by, who's this by? Market and Spruce. It says Venice. Some nice colors in there. It's kind of cute. All right. Then we have a tank top from, who's this by? Marine Layer. Kind of a sage green. Just a basic tank. Those are always nice to have. And then we have a pair of Pistola. Looks like kind of a cargo short, which ironically I just had in my first box that I filmed, which was a short story. And that's actually what I ended up keeping. So I don't know if I need to, but who knows? Maybe they'll fit amazing and I'll fall in love with it. All right, next item. Ooh, this is soft and silky. This is by Steve Madden. Looks like it is a long, really long maxi dress. Summer slip dress, maxi dress. That's pretty. Then we have, looks like from Market and Spruce again. Another dress, orange and ivory with some seashells and starfish and, I don't know, ocean type stuff on here. So that'll be interesting to try on. Alrighty. Sorry about that. Hopefully I'm not hitting this. I'm not used to wearing like a microphone yet. So I noticed in the last video I was hitting it on occasion. I apologize for that. I'm going to try to keep that in mind. Then we have a pair of, who's this by? Vince Camuto. Wedge jelly, clear jelly sandals. So that's nice. And then what else? We have another pair of shoes, it looks like. And these are, oh, cute. These are a pair of Croc flip-flops. Always can use flip-flops. They're orange, so that would match that dress over here. Pretty nice. So, all right. Well, let me go ahead and get changed and we'll get this try on started. Thank you. Real quick, before we start the try on, I wanted to kind of go over, I keep forgetting to do this, but go over this styling service and tell you a little bit about it. I'm sure you all know and probably get tired of hearing about it over and over, and I think that's why I haven't been very good at telling you about the styling services. But in case you don't know, Stitch Fix is a styling service that it's a monthly subscription, and so every month or however often you want one, you can kick one off anytime you want one as well. But they'll send you a box, and there's themes and so forth that you can choose from if you want to. But otherwise, they just send you a box every month. They will ask you, if there's certain things you're looking for or things that you're wanting to see in your box. So you can leave your stylist a message. Most of the time you'll have the same stylist, although they do change as well. So I can't say that 100%. But they send it to you. You try on your items. I think you have 5 days to. No, I'm sorry, within 3 days. Send back returns and exchanges within 3 days. Otherwise, your payment method on file will be charged for all items. So don't do that. But if you do need a longer time, I know that you can go on and extend your checkout. So you can ask for additional time. So anyway, there's a $20 styling fee that you get charged when the box is kicked off or ordered. And that styling fee then gets taken off of anything that you keep or purchase from that box. If you don't keep anything, you lose the styling fee, unfortunately. So if you can try to find something in the box that you really like, that's probably a good idea. But and as far as this box goes, let me tell you about it. So the Pistola Etta curved shorts were the olive Pistola shorts. I'll just tell you about each one of these items real quick. Or not. Okay, so it says these are $138. So yeah, that's expensive. These are a 24 or 00. Looks like they are approximately an 8-inch length, 8-inch inseam. And they have a tie waist, button waist, and zip fly. They do have kind of pockets on the back and then the side pockets on front. So they're a nice weight, nice heavier cotton. So I like those. Unfortunately, I just purchased some, so I don't know that I really need those, but in any case, I'm still going to try them on. And then we'll go to, these dresses want to fall. This marine layer. Let's see, where's that at? Here it is. It's called Lexi Rib Sun in Tank in the color olive, size small. This kind of reminds me of maybe like a Nikki Bicky tank. That's kind of the same fabric. And it's kind of like a micro ribbed. And let's see what the contents are, what the ingredients are here. We've got 49% cotton, 47% tencel, and 4% spandex. So it's a nice feel. There's a lot of stretch in it. It's just a basic piece, but I wear a tank pretty much every single day. So I wear these a lot. And the price of that is $48. I don't know if I just said that or not. Then the next item we have here is from Market and Spruce. And that is called the Lois Embroidered Graphic Tee in off-white, size small. And it is embroidered, so this stitching is like an embroidery on top of like a printed graphic. And the sun is also embroidered. And this is for $39. So that's not too bad of a price. Then we have that Flag and Anthem is the brand on this one. And it's called the Blaine Short Sleeve Zip Up Sweatshirt in light gray, size small. And this is for $59.50. It has like kind of a rolled cuff on the arm that's stitched in place so that won't fall so it will stay up for you. It's really cute. I really do like this a lot. It has pockets in the front, zip closure, the hoodie strings. A lot of times I end up taking those off. They drive me crazy. And then kind of a gathered bottom. Looks like probably a little bit of a shorter style. I wouldn't say cropped, but you know, semi-cropped. And so, excuse me, that's that. And then we have this orange. They're calling it, are they calling it orange? Yes. Market and Spruce Carson Smocked Maxi Dress. Color orange and extra small. This is for $59. This is a sleeveless. It has like a bounciness to it, so it will wear well. Like when you're wearing it, has a nice drape to it. And then the top part of it has smocking, like stretch smocking. Sleeveless. This would look really cute with like a denim jacket or something too. And it looks like it does have like a front slit, maybe side. I'm not sure exactly where that will fall, but probably off to the side. But yeah, that's really cute. I really like the bounce of it. And then this one was the Steve Madden. It's called the Atara dress. This is in navy, size 0 for $129. This is like a silky satin fabric. Beautiful graphic on it, like floral graphic. It's really pretty. Pretty colors. The spaghetti straps are adjustable, so you can fix those. And then the closure is a zip closure. So that unzips to get in up the back. Doesn't look like there's any slits in this one. And this is fully lined as well. So that's really pretty. I like the front V-neck. So that has a nice weight to it all as well. So that'll be really cute to try on. And then we had those Crocs, and these were the Miami Flip Flop is what it's called, in coral size. Well, mine's a size 8, and these are for $34.99. So these are really cute, easy, waterproof, something easy to wear, and you can slip them on with anything. Excuse me, I'm dropping everything. And then the last item is this Vince Camuto. It's called the Sienna Wedge in white. They're calling it white, size 8 for $99. I would call it clear, but they call it white, so that's what we have to go with. But yeah, so it's just a simple wedge. I would say probably 2-inch wedge. Has a square front toe. I'm worried that this is not going to stay on my foot well. A lot of times it's hard for me to wear these type of shoes. I kind of either need something in the back. I need more support for it to stay on. Otherwise, I feel like I'm tripping over myself. But all right, well, those are the items. I'm going to go ahead and go try these on for you, and we'll see what we like. Okay, that was a lot of trying on. All right, so let me actually just sit down and we can talk about this. So, okay, if I were to keep, let's see how many items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 items in here. If you keep 5, you get a 5+ discount of 20. Well, for people that have been with Stitch Fix for a while, you're grandfathered into 25%. Anyone new coming in, I think it's only 20%. So 25 to 20% discount if you keep 5 or more items. So my total today, if without the discount, is $606.49. I have $151.62 discount, and that would bring it to $454.87. And then my styling fee gets deducted, which was $20. Shipping is free. So my order total today would be $434.87 if I kept everything in the box, which I'm not going to do. But I would like some input. I'm really considering that Steve Madden floral silk dress. I thought that was really pretty. I don't know. I don't have anything like it, so it'd be something new to my closet, which is something I'm always looking to do instead of adding the same things in, you know, to bring in things that I don't have. I didn't really care for that orange dress, so I don't see myself keeping that one. With that Steve Madden dress, I tried it on with that like a white crochet sweater, and then I also tried it on with the pink. Did you guys like one over the other better, or neither? Do you think it'd look better if I just wore nothing with it? I just don't, since I've lost weight and such, you know, my upper arms are, they need work. So that's going to be another video, but we are going to be working on that too. But right now I just don't feel, I'm not the most comfortable with my upper arms on my body. But let me know anyway about what you think about that Steve Madden floral dress. As far as the shorts go, like I said, I kept a pair that were almost just like it from a previous box. They were a pair of Bayes shorts, and I really like those. These are actually roomy. I think they're too big, so I wouldn't keep them anyway. So forget those. The flip-flops, the orange flip-flops, I mean, they're okay. I don't need them though, and I don't really wear flip-flops a whole lot, so I'm not gonna keep those. That embroidered t-shirt, graphic tee. I have so many t-shirts, and I didn't really like the way it fit. I thought it was oversized, kind of baggy, boxy. I didn't feel good in it, so I'm not gonna keep that. The other wedges, I was going to mention that. I didn't even show them to you because I couldn't walk in them, just like I thought. They don't stay on my foot. So if your foot is, I would consider mine like an average or, you know, medium width, but they just don't stay on, and then they're clunking all over, and it's a mess. So I didn't even try those on to show you because I couldn't walk in them. And then that little that marine layer tank that I had on that had the micro ribbing in it, kind of that olive green. I mean, I guess $48. I don't know. I don't think I really need it. So I probably won't keep that one. Actually, I wish it was in an extra small rather than a small. If it was in an extra small, I probably would have kept it. So right now, really the only thing I'm looking at keeping is that Steve Madden dress. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for being back here today and watching me do this and attempt another video. I'm trying to get better. I actually think I got details listed in the last one. So, you know, thumbs up to me. But anyway, thanks so much for being here, you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.